Here's another special method that is nice to have, because when I print, again, even though I have, let's say this, now let's comment that out for a second. But if I want to just print one of these hotkeys, keyboard shortcuts are life. All right, so if I print that object just like this, this is what I get. And that's useful, kind of, but there's a lot more that I can do with this. And what I use to do more with that is this string method. So it's an object string. It's this one right here. And the string method, all it does is it returns a new description of the object, which can be really interesting because it contains self as a parameter. What it allows me to do is return information about that object. For example, in my fruit stand, here's what's really useful, right? Is I could say return, and I'm going to make an F string here, and I'm going to say self.strname. Okay, left 20. That's not ljust 20. There we go. Plus F string self dot quantity dot rjust 15, and we're going to say plus one more time. It's going to be a long little string here, but that's okay. F string, and we're going to say self dot price. Let's put that in front of it, and let's also point to F. We're going to format that because it's a price, and then we will say rjust because we always want to right justify. We're going to right justify it so that it lines up on the right hand side. Now watch this. Now if I just print both of those objects, look at how cool this is. Boom. Now that's a useful object description, right? See where I'm going with this? I can make that program super easy now. It's all about how you plan things out. So I've got this initialization, I've got the string defined, I've got the sell fruit, I could do buy fruit, I could do fruit expires. I mean, there's all kinds of different things that could happen to the individual fruit. But once I declare those objects, all I'm doing is printing that object description, which gets accessed here. Notice this is not print, this is return. So that string method, that special method, is returning that string. It's not printing. Can you print something there? Yes, but I wouldn't. You always want to return something there. It's clean that way. Okay, so that is the string method.